Okay, let's focus our attention on our friends from the press. Of course, we start the questions with Mr. Robert Requintina of Manila Bulletin.
Magandang hapon po, and congratulations sa upcoming project. Kay Sian, what made you say yes na maging lead ulit sa isang movie at the same time sa ganitong klaseng genre?
Hey Sir Robert.
Hello.
Una po sa lahat, I feel very grateful and I feel very blessed na nabigyan po ako ng pagkakataon to portray something out of the box, something this, I would say, daring. Kasi hindi naman po lahat nabibigyan ng pagkakataon. So right when they gave me the phone call, I remember we were shooting Love, Die, Repeat nung panahon po na ito, parang last few days ng Love, Die, Repeat. Sa kasagsagan ng taping, sabi ko, please count me in. They told me ito yung mga kasama ko, written and directed by Direct Mark. Sabi ko, sige, kwento nyo na lang sa akin mamaya yung iba pa po yung title nung panahon na yun. Kwento nyo na lang sa akin mamaya, game na ako dyan. So that's pretty much how fast po yung naging proseso ng pag-uo sa project.
And then based sa trailer, medyo dark yung character mo dito sa Playtime, and we've known you as someone na boy next door image pagdating sa pelikula. So how were you able to shift from boy next door image sa ganitong dark na character? What were the challenges in the process, in the encounter?
Couple of days ago, magkakasama kami ni Sanya and Nicolene. We were promoting and pinag-uusapan nga namin, may tinanong sa amin. And I think a huge part po nitong pelikula na to is yung tiwala po naming naming lima sa isa't isa. Dahil mahirap po talaga na to be put in a situation na you have to believe na ito yung nangyayari, kayo papatayin kayo, mga ganon. So, and especially with the direction of Direct Mark, we were just holding on to him. Direct, ano bang gagawin namin dito? Tulong naman Direct lagi in every scene. Direct, ano na yun. So, huge tiwala lang po talaga sa isa't isa.
Madali bang nakapagpagpag ka na from your dark character sa movie na ito? Like, how were you able to do it na mag-disconnect sa character mo from this movie?
It feels really great because paulit-ulit akong magpapasalamat sa GMA and sa Viva because they always, ever since nagsimula po akong gumawa ng proyekto sa kanila, they've been giving me projects that are out of the box. From nabuntis na lalaki to a killer who's haunting these women to films that I've never done before. So yun lang po, laking pasasalamat lang na nabibigyan po ako ng opportunity.
Salamat po, congrats.